Hi guys, Ambree here from Love Body Health and Fitness Coaching. I'm going to be showing you a stretch routine that's amazing to relieve lower back pain. So whether you're feeling any kind of pain, discomfort, make sure to save this one, have it on repeat for any time that you feel that stress in the lower back. So to start, super easy, we're just going to be standing on your mat and you're going to just bend your body forward and you're going to go into a ragdoll pose. So we're going to be having our arms dropping forward. We're just going to let our back relax and just sway and breathe. This will help loosen and relieve that tension that you've been holding there. Make sure to fully relax the head. You might find it dropping closer to the ground as you do this stretch. And breathe through this. 2 more breaths. And last one. We're gonna gently roll up, stacking our spine, one vertebrae on top of the other. Amazing. We're gonna widen your foot stance a little bit. We're gonna drop down, hips move backwards, knees bend a little bit. Keep those arms straight up, and then we're gonna bring them down. And let's link them behind our back, fingers crossing. If you can't do that and you can't reach your arms together, then just hold them as close as you can. But I'm gonna link mine in this example, and we're gonna have our shoulder blades pressing together, same kind of thing. Forward fold, drop the neck, relax the spine, and we're just gonna hold this position right here. And again, breathe through it. Nice deep breaths. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Gently roll it back up. Arms come forward. Reach towards the sky. Link those fingertips again. Just look up towards your fingertips. Nice big stretch. Elongate that spine. Deep breath right here, and we're gonna shift our hips back again and drop forward, keeping those arms linked. Press them out in front of your head. You might hear a few cracks in your upper back and your neck right here. Hold for a few moments. Deep breaths. Awesome, bring it back up nice and gently. And bring those arms down to your side. We're going to be going onto the ground in a downward dog position. Put my hands on the mat, crawl forward. I'm going to position my feet back. However you want to land in this position is up to you. And I'm just going to lift my glutes, lengthen the back of my legs, trying to press my heels closer into the floor, walking my fingertips out. I'm gonna feel that stretch through my shoulders, and I'm gonna drop my head right here. And we're gonna hold this position. And I want you to breathe through it. Feel a nice stretch along the back of those legs too. We're really working on those calf muscles, loosening them up. Breathe through it. For 3, 2, 1. Drop down to your knees. Stack your hands below your shoulders. Knees should be right below the hips. And we're gonna go into a cat. We're gonna tuck that pelvis in, arching up. We're gonna hold here for a moment. You're actually gonna feel this in those lower abs right here. And we're just gonna bring it back to tabletop. And again, bring it back up Squeeze those lower abs to get yourself in this position. Drop the head, relax the neck, hold for a moment, and go back into tabletop. I don't want you arching your back like so. We're gonna keep it nice and flat like a table. And again, we're just gonna repeat this. I love to do this one when I'm feeling any kind of lower back pain. This is my go-to. And back to tabletop. 3 more times. Cat, hold, and tabletop. And cat, hold it up here in this beautiful arch, and drop it back. Last time, bring it up. Nice deep breath. Bring it back to tabletop. We're gonna come down right here into a child's pose. Drop the hips down to the floor, booty sitting on the heels. Walk those fingertips forward. Feel the stretch through your shoulders. And just relax your body. You can lay your head down if you need to. I just want you to be completely relaxed right now. Stretching is a form of self-care. This is you time right now. We can do all of the at-home workouts we want, but if we don't take care of our body and protect it, then it's not going to be nice to us. Stretching is just as important as working out. It's an amazing way to calm the mind. And I want us to bring it up nice and slow. Roll the shoulders back. Hope you're finding some relief through this. Now we're gonna go into a rabbit pose. So I want us to come forward. You're gonna bring your head down, relax it, and you're gonna come quite close, bringing your chest in towards your knees, grabbing those heels, and tucking your pelvis in while relaxing your head, just like so. I want to just bring our hands close to the heels, giving our shoulders a nice stretch at the same time, making sure your back isn't flat. We actually want to tuck that pelvis and round it out. This is going to help relieve pressure in that area. And I just want you to relax the head. Do with it what you want, whatever feels good to you. And again, we're just going to breathe right here. Really tuck that pelvis. You should feel a slight burn in those lower abs if you're doing it right. And take some time here. Two more breaths. And one more. Awesome. Lay those feet down, come back down to sit on the feet. All right, so now we're gonna come down and sit, legs in front of us. We're gonna cross our right leg over our left leg, take that right arm and hook it right in front of the left one. We're gonna take our other hand and put it behind us, elongate the spine, inhale, and as we exhale, we're going to twist behind us, looking over that back shoulder. We're gonna hold this stretch right here. Make sure to take some deep breaths. And hold. A few deep breaths. And 2 more. Last one, we're going to go back down, extend our legs. This time we're gonna cross the right one over the left, take that left arm and push the right leg back, and take the right arm, sit it behind you, elongate the abdomen, breathe in, exhale, twist back, looking over your shoulder. And we're gonna hold this position again. These stretches are so healthy for your back. We put so much pressure on them throughout the day, especially if you've been doing those workouts online. Sometimes it's great to give that back a break and give it some extra TLC. And a few more breaths here. Last one. Come back, extend the feet, take the arms, and just reach them towards the feet. Let that back drop, relax it. Extend those arms. We're gonna hold right here. And breathe. We're gonna come up nice and tall. Bring those shoulder blades together. Move the neck from one side to the other. Now we're gonna be laying on our back completely. Laying back, we're gonna bring our knees in, hold our feet, go into a happy baby right here. Feels really nice on the hips as well. And we're just gonna rock around here, whatever feels good. I like to move my back in little circles. Sometimes it'll end up cracking. This is nice as it naturally brings that pelvis in. Be great at relieving pain. I love this one. We're just gonna hang out here for a little bit. Move around. If you're on a hard surface, it might crack that spine. If you prefer, move on to a soft area. All right, we're going to bring the knees together. I'm going to keep the left knee up here, extend the right down, grab the knee with my hands and bring it in towards my chest, just like so. Keeping that other right leg down on the ground. And just hug your knee close to you. Bring it in. Shift it slightly toward your midline. And hold for a few breaths. Last one. Bring your right knee in now. And extend the left, again pulling that knee in. We're going to hang out here for a little bit. 2 more breaths. We're going to take this knee, hold it with our left hand. Extend our right out to the side, palm up. We're gonna pull that knee across our body to the other side, really lengthening that rib cage. Feeling a nice stretch in the lower back. We're keeping that left leg straight and just look towards your hand. And again, nice deep breath through it all. Three more. 2. 1. Bring your knee back to center, other knee up. Extend your right leg. Now we're going to be taking our right hand, pulling our left knee across, reaching our left arm out, palm facing up. And again, have that right leg flat against the ground and twist. And look towards your left palm. This feels so good on my lower back. Three more. And last one. Come back to center. Give those knees one more hug. Extend them back down. Bring those arms back behind you. We're just going to elongate our spine. Stretch our body out. Bring our hands to our side. And we're going to come up nice and slow. Take your time, no rush. I'm going to sit down and we're just going to stretch our neck a little bit. I want you to use your left arm, grab your neck, and pull it slightly in. Just slightly, shouldn't be too uncomfortable. Hold this right here and breathe. And release. Grab that right arm and pull it in towards your side again. Awesome. Roll that neck out. And that concludes our stretching session for today. Hope you really enjoyed this, and I hope it relieved some of your pain. Low back pain is no fun, and if you keep on experiencing it, make sure to see a physical therapist who can further help your problem. But this should really help, especially if you perform this after a leg workout, after a low back workout. I have one up on the channel. Make sure to check it out. And if you want to get to know more about me, make sure to head over to lovebodycoaching.com, sign up for a consultation. Would love to help you, and I hope to see you guys in my very next video. Have an amazing day. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. This video is brought to you by our loyal patrons who help to keep our cameras rolling. To show our appreciation, we produce tons of exclusive content just for our patrons.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psychetruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts. Start your 14-day free trial today by clicking the link below.